Hello friends, today we are going to make a strainer, Dollar Tree strainer pumpkin. First I added Mod Podge to this and let it dry with my air dryer, and then I added paint. You guys, this is a chalk paint that I'm adding to each one of the strainers. I had to dry each one of them. I laid paper down because it does come through the strainer. Then we're going to arrange them in the shape of a pumpkin. You want to leave all the handles on. You want two pointing down, one pointing up. And I was trying to decide where I wanted to put them, you guys, or how I wanted to arrange them. You want two pointing down, one pointing up on the handles, and then you're going to wire this together. You're going to wire it at the top, and you're going to wire it at the bottom. It's super easy. I just use thin floral wire is what I used. And I just poke it straight through the screen, and then just take it back through the screen again, and then I twist it in the back. Super easy. Super duper easy. Okay, then we're going to flip it back over, and then we're going to wire the front to it, you guys. Okay, I'm just going to add the wire through there, and we're going to give it a twist. Super duper easy to get it all wired together. And now time for the bottom. You want to lay it in the form of a pumpkin. You can see where it almost looks like a pumpkin. And then what we're going to do, you guys, is we're going to take and we're going to bend those legs up. Be careful bending them so you don't break them. And see how it's going to stand? It'll be freestanding. So you could stand in front of a fireplace, up on a mantle. You could put it on a buffet or anything like that to decorate with. Okay, I have these little greens that I got from Hobby Lobby, I believe. I am just going to cut all these down real good. And then we are going to wire them to the pumpkin. Get that wire out there, and we're going to wire it right to the pumpkin, and that's going to hold it on, you guys, when we wire it down. Then we're going to, as soon as we get this on here, then I have a really super cute, hang on y'all, a super cute sunflower we're going to put on here. My sunflower came apart, so you guys can kind of see me at the bottom down there where I glued it together, and I'm having to glue all the pieces together. But anyway, we got it back together, add glue to the back of it, and then we're just going to glue it right to the strainer, right above the greens. And as you can see, guys, it's starting to take shape of a pumpkin. Then we're going to just check out all the different ribbons, and I can't decide which one I want. Then I finally decide, okay, this one here is the one I want. So I get out my bow maker, and I believe it's called a bow dabra. And then I just add all my sweet little strings and everything just to make a cute little bow. It's just like a shoestring bow was all it is, you guys. And then we just tie it up. I was going to add it on there. I thought, oh wait, I've got to wrap my stem. So this top stem we wrap with the heavy jute rope. This here came from Hobby Lobby, you guys. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it at any of your what do I want to call them? Yeah, one of those, y'all. I can't think of the name of them. The supply stores for animal feed and stuff like that, feed stores and stuff. And then we just add our little bow. And I just kind of glued up the stem as I was putting it on to hold, that way it'll hold it on there, you guys. Then these are leaves that came off the sunflower that on the stem that the sunflower was on. I just pulled the leaves off, and we're gluing them to our pumpkin. This is so stinking cute, you guys. I just absolutely love this. Okay, right here is the finished item, you guys. I just took some pumpkin color around that, and you guys, it turned out so stinking cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you for joining me. Follow and share this out, you guys. Have a nice day.